This is your question. Kung ang magnanakaw ay ninakawan, pwede ba siyang mag-report sa pulis? Again? Kung ang magnanakaw ay ninakawan, pwede ba siyang mag-report sa pulis?
Of course, OA. Siyempre, we are equal in this world. As we all know that we have the right to we have the right na mo report sa police, especially kung ikaw kawatan, nagikawatan sad ka, pwede kang mo report sa police, pero usa po nang itubag sa police, may reasoning mo. Thank you.
Your question is, kung si Shaira ay nag-copyright, pwede din ba siyang mag-copyleft? Wala ka day.
Yes, because I believe that we have left, we have right. I repeat, we have left, we have right. So Shaira should be the left, and and copyright is the right. Thank you so much.
Number 6, mapakaanyo.
Okay, your question is, sa iyong palagay, bakit lumulubog ang piso kaysa barko? Again, sa iyong palagay, bakit lumulubog ang piso kaysa barko?
Okay, thank you so much for that very tricky question. But before anything else, every question has corresponding answer. Is it a fact or my opinion? And my opinion is not rejected, it's always be respected. So regarding with that questions, sa palagay ko ba, ano ang mas mabigat? Piso or ang barko? Well, definitely the piso. Kita nyo naman, di ba, pag tinataboy mo yung piso sa dagat or sa tubig, lumulubog siya. And I will relate that into our life, that in our life, we experience challenges that you conquer in everyday life. But you always remember, ladies and gentlemen, that no matter what happened in life, you always be humble and kind. Thank you.
Now, the question for candidate number 5 is this. Bakit matagal mamatay ang masamang damo?
Wow, that was a tricky question. You know what? Each individual has different kind of thoughts, opinion, and also decisions. So all words come to my mouth that should be respected, not to be insulted. You know, the question that was given to me is very funny, but I need to answer it, precise and accurate. Bakit matagal mamatay ang masamang damo? Siyempre, they are the son, or should I say, the daughter of Satan. Ika nga sabi nila, matagal mamatay ang masamang damo. It's because that they are doing some different kind of sin and mistakes in this world. That is why, as a God believer, I don't tolerate that kind of sin, or should I say, that kind of thing. Because we are born to be unique, and we are born to have a purpose in this world and to do good things in this world, because an act of kindness can change the world. Thank you.
Just for me, it's not really relevant for me because it's lagoon as a beauty queen itself. So if there is pork barrel, there is chicken barrel. Of course, kaya naatay baboy o naabutay chicken. And of course, if naay baboy o naay chicken, and everybody's happy because good food, good mood. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening.
Good food.
Maayong gabi sa tanan, by the way.
Sige. Ang imong question kay, sino sa tingin mo ang may mas mabigat na dinadala? Ang uli ni Doraemon o ang bag ni Dora?
That's a very funny question. But as a candidate, we need to answer that specific question for us to be able to get a score. And pertaining back to the question, alin ba ang mas mabigat? Ang ulo ni Doraemon o ang bag ni Dora? I believe mas mabigat ang ulo ni Doraemon. Maybe some of you, o lahat naman tayo, nakakita ng Doraemon at nakakita din ng Dora. So we can be able to identify kung sino ang mas mabigat. So para sa akin, we're living in a democratic country where our freedom of expression was built in 1987, so we have the freedom of rights. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we can express what we want regarding with the views and opinions of our answers. So mine is Doraemon kasi mas mabigat yung ulo ni Doraemon kasi circle. Kasi sa bag ni Dora is square lang, which is napakaliit lang. Thank you.
Number 7. Mas tama bang sabihin, do not judge the cover by its book? O, do not judge the book by its cover.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for that interesting question. So if you were allow me to choose between those things, one of lines that really relate to me personally is do not judge the book by its cover. Because we know the fact the cover is only a facade. It's only what people physically see on outside. But the content of the book, it's extraordinary. Because we know the fact that we, part of the LGBT community, outside physically, we are being marginalized, dehumanized, and experience a lot of scrutiny. That is why it is important for you to be able to think outside the box and do not judge us physically, because we can do more than physical appearance. We have our own advocacy, we have our own purpose, and we will be able to contribute that to the community because we, part of the LGBT community, will always here forever and for eternal. Thank you.
Ang pahaba ng buhay, bakit hindi siya nirereseta ng doktor?
Thank you so much for a very cool question. And alam naman po natin, tayong Filipino ay fan ng pagkain ng pansit. At nauso ang kasabihan na kung ang pansit ay pampahaba ng buhay, bakit hindi ito nire-reseta ng doktor? Kasi ang pansit ay hindi isang gamot. Ang doktor ang nagbibigay ng reseta. Pag sinabi nating reseta, gamot. Ang pansit ay isang pagkain na pampahaba ng buhay kapag ikaw ay nais na mabuhay at hindi gustong mamatay. Kaya kumain ka ng pansit. So kung maniniwala ka sa kasabihan na ang pansit ay pampahaba ng buhay, bakit hindi ito nire-reseta ng doktor? Please lang, humingi ka na lang ng reseta mula sa doktor na may nakasulat na